This is England from the year 1901. What you're about to witness is a glimpse into the past of a world that no longer exists. The time of English factories and King Edward. A time of steam engines and no labor laws. Let's dive into the world of 1900s England. Pendulbury Colliery is one of the films produced by Mitchell and Kenyon, and it provides a fascinating glimpse into the working conditions and life at a colliery coal mine in Pendlebury, which is located in the Greater Manchester area of North England. The film captures the activities and scenes surrounding the coal mining industry. It includes footage of the colliery buildings, the pithead, and possibly the miners themselves going to and from work. The original film is a silent black and white production. These early films, including Pendulbury Colliery, are valuable historical records that offer a rare visual insight into the past, providing a glimpse of the working conditions, social dynamics, and industrial landscapes of the time. They are considered invaluable resources for studying and understanding the history and culture of the early 20th century.